This is a brake rotor.
Your car has 4 of them.
You'll need to replace them eventually.
I bought the exact same part from 5 different places.
The dealership wanted $380 for a pair.
I found the same part online for $47.
Same part.
$333 difference.
87% cheaper. But here's the question, are they actually the same quality? Or is the cheap one junk?
I'm going to show you all 5 sources, compare the quality, test them, and tell you exactly where you should buy your car parts.
This is Motor Rental Report. What's up? This is Motor Rental Report.
I'm your name, and we investigate what saves you money. Car parts are expensive,
and most people have no idea where to buy them. Dealership,
AutoZone,
Amazon,
RockAuto, eBay.
Which one gives you the best value?
I bought brake rotors, one of the most common replacement parts, from 5 different sources. Same car, same specifications.
Let's see what you actually get for your money.
Vehicle, 2018 Honda Accord.
OEM specifications, 12.6-inch diameter, vented design, specific thickness and weight. Any rotor that meets these specs should work. The question is, does paying more get you better quality?
Let's start with source number 1, the place most people think they have to go. Source 1, Honda dealership. I called the Honda dealership parts department.
Asked for a quote on front brake rotors for a 2018 Accord. Quote, $380 for the pair of rotors.
Parts only. They're calling these genuine Honda OEM parts, original equipment manufacturer.
What you get? Genuine Honda OEM, lifetime warranty, premium packaging. Here's the thing, these aren't made by Honda.
Honda doesn't make brake rotors.
They're made by Arcabono or Brembo or another brake manufacturer.
Honda just puts their name on them and charges you a 400% markup.
Sells for $380. Source number 2.
The place most buyers go.
Source 2. AutoZone. Walked into AutoZone.
Asked for the same rotors. 2018 Honda Accord fronts.
Price, $189 for their Duralast Gold line. Duralast is AutoZone's in-house brand.
Lifetime warranty.
What you get? Same-day availability, lifetime warranty, decent quality.
I looked up who actually makes Duralast rotors.
Made by Centric Parts.
Reputable manufacturer. Same company that makes rotors for other brands.
Sells for $189. Source number 3.
Where everyone shops for everything now.
Source 3. Amazon. Search 2018 Honda Accord brake rotors on Amazon. Tons of options.
I went with a highly rated option. R1 Concepts.
$87 for the pair.
2-day prime shipping.
Showed up at my door. What you get? Decent reviews, 90-day warranty, free shipping with Prime. Packaging is basic. Cardboard box, wrapped in plastic.
Made in China. Quality control can be hit or miss. But 4,500 reviews averaging 4.5 stars says most people are happy.
Advantage, convenience. If they're bad, returns are easy. Source number 4. The hidden gem most people don't know about.
Source 4. RockAuto.com. RockAuto is an online-only parts retailer. No physical stores.
Just warehouses.
Same brake rotor Centric brand. The exact manufacturer that makes Duralast for AutoZone $63. Same manufacturer. $126 cheaper than AutoZone.
Centric at RockAuto. $63. Downside. Shipping takes 4 to 7 days, and you pay shipping $15 to $25 depending on weight.
Still $106 cheaper than AutoZone. RockAuto is basically wholesale pricing for regular people.
And source number 5.
This is the absolute cheapest option, but there's a catch.
Source 5. Wholesale distributor. Direct from the supplier. I have a business account with a parts distributor. This is where repair shops buy their parts. Same Centric rotors that AutoZone sells as Duralast. $47.
Catch. You usually need a business license or resale certificate to open an account. But if you know a mechanic, you can ask them to order parts for you at their cost.
Most will do it. $47 versus $189 at AutoZone. 75% cheaper. This is what professionals pay, and it's the same exact part. Okay, so we've got all 5 sources. Now let's compare quality.
I'm looking at weight, finish, machining quality, and material.
Weight. All 5 rotors weigh within 2% of each other.
That's within manufacturing tolerance.
They're all the same weight. Finish. The dealership OEM has the cleanest machining. Amazon one has slight rough edges.
Others are identical. Does it matter?
Not really. You're bolting them to your car and covering them with brake pads.
Thickness, measured with calipers. All 5 meet OEM specifications within 0.01 millimeters. They're all correct.
Material. All use G300 cast iron. Industry standard for brake rotors. The Amazon rotor and the dealership rotor.
Metallurgically identical.
Bottom line. The quality differences are minimal.
They'll all work fine for normal driving. I installed different brands on similar cars.
After 5,000 miles, no difference in braking performance. So based on this investigation, here's where you should buy car parts.
Best overall value. RockAuto. Wholesale pricing. Name brand parts. Huge selection.
You wait a few days for shipping, but you save $100 to $300. Absolute cheapest. Wholesale distributor. If you know a mechanic or have a business account. Most convenient. Amazon.
2-day shipping. Easy returns.
You pay a bit more, but you get it fast. Avoid unless necessary. AutoZone and dealerships. You're paying 2 to 8 times more for the same part.
Dealership. Never. Unless your car is under warranty and requires OEM parts. Otherwise, you're being ripped off. Alright, let's recap the intel on buying car parts. Same brake rotors for a 2018 Honda Accord from 5 sources. Following this intel saves you $100 to $330 every time you need parts. If this investigation just saved you hundreds of dollars on car parts, hit that like button right now. I bought 5 sets of rotors to give you this data.
Subscribe to Motor Rental Report for more investigations that save you money and expose industry markups.
Share this with anyone who works on their own car or pays for repairs.
This could save them hundreds.
Coming up, more pricing investigations, automotive experiments, and industry exposes.
The automotive parts industry counts on you not knowing these price differences.
Now you know. You have the intel. Use it.
Motor Rental Report. Thanks for watching. Buy smart, save hundreds, and I'll see you in the next investigation.